In this video, you'll discover how to create a high converting lead magnet that turns your trickle of leads into a flood of leads. Now, this is video number 6 of my free online course that teaches step-by-step how to start an online coaching business. If you're new to my channel, my name is Peter Scott. I'm the founder of Fearless Coach Academy, where I have trained thousands of coaches since 2013 to launch and scale their coaching business. So let's first define what in the heck is a lead magnet. You hear this term all over online. If you don't know what a lead magnet is something that you give away for free in exchange for somebody's contact information. That's all it is. It's you giving away a free PDF or a free checklist or a free cheat sheet, and they're entering their name and their email address to download this free PDF. But it's more than that. That's the simplest definition of a lead magnet. What a true lead magnet is and what a high converting lead magnet is that it's a complete solution to a narrow problem. Remember, we get enough emails as it is. We don't want to sign up for a newsletter. We don't want more messages and distractions coming into our world, but we do want to solve our problems. So when you're creating your lead magnet, you want to think about what are the most common, painful, frustrating problems that your clients struggle with, and how can you create a solution for that in a lead magnet? I'll give you a couple examples. One of my lead magnets is a sales script for coaches. It's a word-for-word script that every one of our clients use to enroll high-ticket clients. That is a complete solution to a narrow problem. It says, here's the script. If you're struggling with getting high-ticket clients, here's the exact words to use on your next sales call to close that client. Another example is our pricing guide for coaches. For coaches that are just starting out who have no idea what to charge, this tells you the exact dollar amounts to charge for your one-on-one coaching, your group coaching, and your online course. Notice that's another complete solution to a narrow problem. How you get a lot of people to want your lead magnet is to make sure that it's valuable enough that solves their problem. If you create something that seems interesting, but it's not a must-have, it's a nice-to-have, you're not going to get the leads that you want. Know this, there's an important metric to keep in mind here, and that is when you're promoting your lead magnet on a landing page, when people go on there and they opt in, they enter their name and email address, you want to ensure that you're at least enrolling, at minimum converting 20% of people that are landing on that page. And that's low. That's the low end. So let's say 100 people land on the page. You want at least 20 people minimum to enter their email address and download the lead magnet. If you have less than that, 15, 10, 5, oh my gosh, imagine a 5% conversion rate. That means that we have a messaging problem, or we have a lead magnet that people don't really want. And so part of it could be changing and coming up with an entirely new lead magnet. Part of it could just be repositioning it to be more attractive. But that is the first thing that you must recognize when creating a lead magnet, is that it's a complete solution to a narrow problem. A way to think about this when creating it is, what do you solve with your coaching and who is it for? So if you think about what who your ideal client is, who's the person, and what problem do you solve, when you let those two Venn diagrams, those two circles intersect, that's the intersection of what you create your lead magnet for. Next step is, once your lead magnet solves the narrow problem, it should also reveal the next problem, which can only be solved by your offer. So an example of this, let's imagine I'm offering a sales script for coaches, right? That's my lead magnet. And people are downloading this and now they know exactly what to say to enroll clients. But the next problem is they probably don't have enough sales calls. So I could, in my funnel, in my lead magnet funnel, I could say something like, on the thank you page of my funnel, hey, congratulations on downloading the lead magnet. You've got a sales script on its way to your inbox. But now that you have this, you probably want help in booking more sales calls. And if that's true, then make sure to check out my next video here to watch how to do that. And that video could invite people to book a call. It could sell an online course. It could be a webinar. But notice that I've strategically thought through beforehand, what is this solution creating a new problem for? And that's how you get people to move through your entire sales process. So let me say that again. Once your lead magnet solves a narrow problem, make sure that it reveals the next problem, which can only be solved by your offer. So sometimes in my funnels, I simply say, hey, listen, congratulations on downloading the lead magnet. If you downloaded this, you probably don't want just a sales script. You want help with getting more coaching clients. And if that's the case, I'd invite you to schedule a call with us. right? So now I am immediately connected to the next step of the process. The third key to create a high converting lead magnet is that a lead magnet is designed to build the know, like, and trust factor with your prospects so that a higher percentage of them become clients. Remember, trust is at the ultimate low it's ever been in the coaching and consulting industry today. It's never been lower. And so it's really your job as a business owner to lower that resistance and build that trust as quickly as possible. If you go out on ads on Facebook or Instagram or on YouTube and you say, hey, I want to give you a free coaching call or a free consultation or a free strategy session or a free discovery call, guess how many people are going to book that? About zero, right? Because they don't know you yet. They don't trust you yet. So what does a lead magnet do? It brings them into your world. It may have nothing to do with you. You can't see me on my lead magnet pages. It's not about me. People don't even know who Peter Scott is when they download my lead magnet. But then they start to receive emails from me, and they start to watch some videos, and they start to read some content, and they start to recognize that I have specialized knowledge that could help them. And now over time, and it can happen very, very quickly, that know, like, and trust factor is built so that there's more sales opportunities. So that's a whole goal, is to create opportunities to serve more people. So that's the third key I want you to take away from this video in how to create a lead magnet. If you want to see like real world lead magnets and some of our best performing ones that have worked literally for like the last 8 years and longer, then just check out the description of any of my YouTube videos. And almost all of them have a link in there that you can download one of them, whether it's the coaching business launch checklist, the sales script for coaches, the social media post playbook. We've got a bunch of them. So download any of them and you can see the whole sequence that way. If you got value from this, I just have a favor to ask, and that is to subscribe to my channel. I recently discovered about 74% of you watching this are not subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and hit subscribe right now. Make sure to like the video so the algorithm can push it out to more and more people on YouTube. And once you've subscribed, make sure to check out my next video in this free online course, which reveals how to book more sales calls. Click up here, watch that video, and I'll see you in the next training.